Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to the Tutorial channel. So what you see in front of me, right? Just nice. Both released almost at the same time. JEC came about 1-2 weeks ago, and now I just got my HPi64. We can do a comparison video. I've already done a first look on the JEC, so you can check it out in my channel. Okay, remember to click on the subscribe button and hit the bell, okay, so that you don't miss on any of my awesome diecast videos. All right, so both are resin and they're pretty much priced the same. So JEC came in a packing like that together with the carrier on top. Okay, B not. All right, so we have already seen that, and we'll come back to this again later to do a comparison. This time around, let's focus on the HPi64. So mine, strangely, from the couple of boxes that I've gotten, right, most of them has this issue of it looks damaged. So I haven't, because I've been a bit tied up recently, so I haven't managed to text my supplier as well. So I don't know if it's a shipping issue or he himself got it like this from China. But let's see. So on the side it sticks, there's a sticker HPi64 Audi RS6 DTM 56. Okay, on top there's a RS6 logo. Underneath, HPi model manufacturer, all trademark reserved. I guess this is to tell that all trademark rights reserved. So probably this one is licensed. That's why it uses the RS6 logo. I don't see the Audi logo though. Okay, so got it out of the box. It's kind of a cut box kind of thing. This one definitely is quite premium. It comes with the microfiber cloth. Huh. So with the HPi logo. Let's take a peek at it. So there's definitely something different. There's something different from what I've received so far. I don't remember getting any brands with the cloth in it. Okay, yes, this is literally seriously a cloth. Yeah, we can get it out. Let's get the car out. I want to put this aside. Let's just put it aside there. Okay, let's get the car out. It comes with a carrier as well, so it has a separator so it doesn't damage the it doesn't create scratches on the casing. Okay, that's nice. So packaging wise, HPi wins by a mile. Okay, yeah, it's seriously a cloth. Okay, just in case your fingers get wet, all right, first look. Does look pretty decent. It does look pretty decent from where I'm looking. Wow, wow. Oh, nasty. The nasty stickers. I hate these stickers. I hate these stickers. They are nasty. Okay, so yep, this one comes with the Audi RS logo. I guess this one is done properly with the Audi logo. 700 pieces was made. This is number 389. Nice, looking good, but I hate it when I need to do this. It's just so annoying. Ugh. Okay, let's just trash that. And they do it on both sides, man. This is just so freaking annoying. See, it always leaves some sort of stain there. Why? Why do you guys want to do this kind of thing? You. So annoying. I'm seriously annoyed. Okay, here we go. So first look, it does look quite good. Okay. The back looks a bit lifted, but I think based on the real thing, that's what it is. Okay, let's check out the front. Okay, it does look quite good actually. A little bit lost for words. So this one, the backstory, a little bit of add-on story from my previous video. So yes, this one was driven by John Olsen. He's a sportsman from Europe, and But the key story to this is actually he sold it. So the story that people that have been told me, and a couple of people have verified this, that they've heard this story. Okay, so John also pretty much sold his car to someone, and after the Gumball 3000. Okay, where's my screwdriver? Oh shit, where did my screwdriver go? No, where is it? Found it, found it. I'm coming back. So pretty much, John Olsen actually sold this his one. I mean this RS6 after the Gumball 3000 rally, and then what happened after that was it was stolen at gunpoint. Um, and yeah, it was stolen at gunpoint, and somehow, long story short, the so-called new owners, the people that stole it, kind of somehow got it on fire. Yeah, so pretty much this one is really a goner. It doesn't exist anymore. I haven't yeah, because recently been a bit tied up with quite a lot of stuff, a lot of new release. Hence, I haven't got a chance to do that research myself. So, if you do know, the story is real, please do let me know in the comment section below. Right? Okay, I'm just gonna put the base aside, and we're gonna check out the car itself. Nice, very nice, very nice. Oh, look at the front. Okay, does look quite good. Does look quite good from here. Okay, let's see it from the side. BetSafe. Nice. Very nice. Check out that ass. Very nice. Okay, and then we'll see underneath. Okay, there's a bit of detail underneath as well. Okay. Right. Okay, alright. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. Let's check out the carrier. Oh, I like that. I like that. The first impression is good. Now the JEC ones don't fit. Okay, it doesn't really work. So let's see how will this work properly. Yeah, I guess this one is the front. Oh. Hey. Annoying. Hang on. Does this work? Nah, this one doesn't quite work. I put it on right. Yeah, that's the front. That's the back. Okay, let's just get it on. Oh, the pictures are so deceiving. No, it doesn't work. Because when you get it on one side, right, then the other side doesn't. It's not gonna hold. Oh, it's so annoying. Come on, HPi. Yeah, JEC couldn't pull it off, and yeah, pretty much you guys couldn't pull it off too. So annoying. Yeah, it doesn't work. No, it doesn't work. See, it's slanted. Ayo, it doesn't work. What's the point, right? Hiya. So it works from the side. Then now it looks fine. But yeah, it doesn't work. No, it does not work. Okay, we move on to the next topic. Let's reverse this in. Let's get this guy in. Okay, there you go. I got a JEC one next to it. Holy shit. Hey, the HPi one is massive. It's freaking massive, man. Because this one itself, when I park next to some other cars, right, it is really quite massive. And now this one, the HPi one, is even bigger. Is it really 64 scale? Really? That is huge. Okay, details from the front. The JEC headlamps does look better. Okay, does look better. I do kind of prefer the JEC headlamps. Yeah, let's park this one aside first. Yeah, the HPi one does. Oh, it's quite big. It's quite massive. This thing. Okay, let's see it from this side. Okay, the front pillar is there. The wheels design are pretty much quite similar. Okay, so that's what the red line thing is. It's supposed to be a print. Okay, it's supposed to be a print. Let's see, what print is it supposed to be? I can't see it. I can't really see it. Too small. Let's see. It says something. I can't see it. Damn it, I'm getting old. Okay, let's check out the back. So the HPi version, oh, okay, the JEC version got a small wing at the back here. Yeah, the wings are smaller compared to what HPi did. That is crazy. Okay, so HPi went all the way. Okay, it went all the way. Alright, that wing is different. There's the heater lines. Okay, the heated lines, heater windscreen at the back. Okay, the details of the diffuser, that's actually quite similar. Let's see. Yeah, the HPi one does look pretty massive, if you ask me. Okay, let's see the carrier. So one, JEC gave us the carbon fiber kind of finishing. HPi gives the matte black version. Okay, both has its legs that's supposed to hug the railing on the top of the car, but yeah, both doesn't freaking works. Okay, so JEC has the number plates, the HPi does not. Okay, what else? Yep, even at the back, HPi does not have the number plates. Okay, both are resin, both doesn't roll. Okay, verdict. Let's just, for comparison's sake, since I have it here next to me, right? That's Hobby Japan. This is Hobby Japan RX7 that I recently reviewed. I think this scale is actually quite okay, but oh my god, look at that. It's so big a difference. That's huge. I mean, yeah, it's a 90s 90s car, but the difference is too big. I think the JEC version is still alright, comparable, but yeah, that one is massive, man. This one, the HPi is massive. Madness. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this aside. Yeah, we'll leave HPi in here. Okay, cool. That's about it for this video. Let me know what you think. Do you prefer the JEC version or the HPi version? Alright. Okay, so as usual, I will be taking close-up photos of this guy and putting them on my Instagram. Remember to follow me there, virtutoys.mj. Remember to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you don't miss on my awesome diecast videos. Alright, thank you very much for watching, guys. Bye.